My inusual situation refers to a case where a caution I have been electrocuted wild energy, pain and Sunday at my town, leaping a stick or jaguar. This has fallen on some energy network. My caution was caused by the force on the impact time. My tears from the place, and I was against a well. Being there in that situation, I was unconscious for a moment. They felt burning in on my legs. I looked and I found out that I had been burned by the electric shock. Being there, my family comes to my head and I my eye and I have been taken to medical center where I've been recovered.